If you don't see the auto scroll option on your Instagram Reels, don't panic. You're not the only one. In fact, even my Instagram account doesn't have it yet. So in this video, I'll walk you through why it's not showing and what you can do to possibly fix it or at least stay ready when it rolls out. First of all, Instagram is still testing the auto scroll feature and it's only available to a small group of users right now. That's why most people, including me, haven't seen it appear yet. But here's what you can try. First of all, go to your App Store or Play Store. Then search for Instagram and check if there's an update. This feature is tied to newer versions of the app, so keeping it updated is the key. Then go to your Instagram and play any reel. Then tap on the three-dot menu below the share icon. If the feature is available, you will see a toggle called auto scroll. If you don't see it just like me, it hasn't been rolled out to your account yet. Also, some users say that the feature showed up after switching to a creator profile. To do that, go to your settings and activity. After that, tap on account and switch to professional account. If nothing changes, try reinstalling the app completely. Instagram is doing a slow and staged rollout, so even though we don't have it right now, it should show up for more users soon. Keep checking regularly and don't forget to keep your app up to date. So yeah, that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.